Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on Steam Deck. First, you'll need to switch your Steam Deck into desktop mode. This allows you to access a more traditional operating system environment, similar to a regular computer. Once in desktop mode, you can then download and install a web browser, which is essential for accessing the Roblox website and its installer. We'll then add the game to your Steam library for easy access. To begin, press the Steam button, navigate to Power, and select Switch to Desktop. Once there, open the Discover Software Center and search for a web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Install your preferred browser. After installation, launch the browser and go to the official Roblox website to download the Roblox Player installer. This file is typically a small executable, usually less than 100 megabytes in size. With the installer downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the Roblox Player installation. Once installed, you'll need to find the Roblox Player executable file. Right-click on it, select Add to Steam, and then browse to the executable's location, usually within your Program Files directory. This integrates Roblox directly into your Steam library for convenient launching. After adding Roblox to Steam, switch back to gaming mode. Find Roblox in your library, right-click, and go to Properties. Under Compatibility, force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool, such as Proton Experimental, for optimal performance. You might need to experiment with different Proton versions. Launch Roblox, log in, and enjoy your games with full controller support, which can be configured within Steam's controller settings for a tailored experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.